We're doing a review on the Homga multi-purpose cable clips. You get 2 packages of 6, so a total of 12. And these are basically designed to go like this. They have a little sticky pad here. You peel off the paper and you can put this along areas to make sure that your cables don't hang or something. And they're really good. But they can be used for a lot of other purposes. You can hang them on the wall and keep things like your earbuds. You can, in a craft room or something, you can hang these. You can put pens in them. In an area you want your pens, you can put toothbrushes. You can put screwdrivers, and you can even put something like this and hang it from a wall for easy access. Things like jewelry, you can even hang from a wall to keep things up. So there's a limitless amount of things that you can use these for. So don't think of them just for cables. They're great for organization. I love having these around the house because every time I need to hang something, I reach for something like this. It just really helps.